In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subdomain on Kartra. By the end, you'll have a branded web address like pages.yourdomain.com pointing straight to your Kartra content. Before we begin, make sure you already own your main domain and can access its DNS settings through your registrar. Start by signing in and heading to your Kartra dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Settings. In the Settings area, find and select Domains. This is where all domain and subdomain connections are managed in Kartra. Click Add Custom Domain. When the options appear, choose Use a Subdomain. This tells Kartra you're connecting a subdomain of an existing domain rather than a brand new primary domain. You'll see two fields, one for the subdomain and one for the root domain. In the subdomain box, type just the subdomain label you want, such as pages or learn. In the domain box, enter your main domain without the subdomain. Double check spelling here. Typos are the most common cause of connection issues. Then click Next. Now set your index page. This is the default page visitors will see when they land on the root of your subdomain, like pages.yourdomain.com. Choose the destination page you want to feature, such as your main funnel or a welcome page, so people always have a clear starting point. Next, set the 404 error page. This is the fallback page for any broken or mistyped links under your subdomain. Pick a helpful page, ideally one that points visitors back to your main offers or navigation, so they're never stuck. Click Next to continue. Finally, choose how to configure your domain, automatic or manual. Automatic is the quickest if your registrar is supported, as Kartra will handle the DNS connection for you. Manual gives you full control. Kartra will show the exact DNS record to add, typically a CNAME. If you go manual, allow time for DNS propagation. It can take from a few minutes up to 24 hours. Once saved, Kartra will secure your subdomain with SSL. Give it a moment, then visit your new address to confirm everything is live. That's it, you're all set.